How the
You fucker. You took your time getting here, didn't you? Personally, I'm worried that your heart's not in it anymore. But Chase, don't worry. Look at Keith. Keith just cries all the time now. Actually, it's become a bit of a drag.
Just shut up.
No. We've got a little history lesson for you. Listen up. Remember Zing He? With his treasure ships out trying to collect riches for the Mings? Remember him? Yes, Mr. Buxer, of course I remember. Answer that like that, right? When I ask you a question, answer me back, all right? Well, fucking Zing He, he's got this captain called Lin Kong. And Lin Kong goes fucking AWOL with his ship's hold at the Chengyang full of Barclays, right? And he settles right here, enslaves all the locals, but Zing He, fucking Zing He sinks his little empire in just a few years. What do you think happened to the treasure? Very good question, young Jays, very astute. Well, the treasure, nobody knows where it is. It's not on the boat anymore. And Lin Kong, our fucker's nowhere to be found. Treasure hunters have been after that crap ever since. Even the bloody chaps tore the island apart looking for it, but nobody knows where it is. So best not dawdle, Chase. Chin up. Good luck.
I'm in a cave-in waiting to happen. Seriously, not in the mood for barbecue right now.
When I find you, I will gut you. Wow! Cut the fuck up! He's behind there! Let's see what's up!
Sexy! I found him! Shit! Let me show you how a man fights! Better see what's... Aha! Fuck! Wait that shithead! Need more bullets! Take that motherfucker!
Get! Move!
I see them. Gotta bring the roof down.
Eat dirt! Oh my god! I'm going to eat you alive!
Let me try the compass.
Yes!
Yeah, this isn't creepy. Dead end. There's gotta be somewhere to activate it.
Ah!
Why do I get a bad feeling about this? Well, not getting out that way. Another piece of the compass. This place is coming down. You put a tracker on me, didn't you?
Well, you're my favorite pupil.
Hey, stay away from me.
Are you calling the shots now? Is that what you're doing? Hector, apparently I'm no longer calling the shots, so dismantle everything and...
Split Keith open from Captain Ship.
Wait!
Yeah.
Wait!
Hold on. What was that, mate?
You're calling the shots.
Hector! Good news. Apparently I'm back in charge. Yes, don't get Keith. No. So, any close to finding me knife yet? Hmm?
Almost there, I think.
Almost there, sir.
What, are you serious? All right, almost there, sir.
Go on, put the compass piece in. Right then. I'll start off then, shall I? Keep safe.